break it down step by step on how to become a registered nurse in Nigeria. Okay, let's start. YouTube channel. My name is Princess Kelvin, and if this is the first time of you seeing this beautiful face, you are so welcome. But if it's not the first time of you seeing my face, you are welcome. Thank you so much for always being here. Particular video now will be about how to be a registered nurse in Nigeria. I know some people, many people want to go do nursing in Nigeria, but they don't know how to go about it, the processes, or where to start from. They don't know how to do it. So I'm going to be breaking it down for you on how to become a registered nurse right here in Nigeria. Yes, by the way, I'm in Nigeria. So right here in Nigeria, I'm going to be telling you guys. So if this video is what you're interested in, please stay tuned. And first thing you have to do after finishing secondary school is to get your WAEC results, your NECO results, your SSCE results. Okay, so now before I continue, there are two methods of becoming a registered nurse in Nigeria. It's either you go through school of nursing, that is a 3-year program, or you go through the university, so that is to study BSc nurse, that is a 5-year program. So I'm going to be explaining this separately, like different step by step for each process, so that you guys will not be confused, so that you will not take this particular step and you think you're going for RN, that is registered nurse, and you're putting it for BSc, so that you will not confuse yourself. Okay, so as I was saying, the first process is to write your WAEC or your NECO or your SSCE result, anyone, and then you pass the exam by having credits in 5 courses: your maths, your English, your biology, your chemistry, your physics. Yes, these 5 courses is what you have to have credits on. You have to pass when it comes to your WAEC, your NECO, your SSCE result, any of them. You have to pass this. So after you have gotten your 5 credits in these 5 courses I have talked about, the next thing you have to do is to make your decision, make your research. Which particular school do you want to go for? If you're going for the RN program or the BSc nursing program, which particular school do you want to go for? You have to make your research. Then after you have made up your mind on this particular school, because in Nigeria here we have different states, and each state have their own nursing school. So different states have their own nursing school. You have to make up your mind. So after you have made that decision, you have to go to that school. You have to enroll in that school by buying their form, filling it and registering it. Then they will give you a particular date when you will come to write their written exam, and then later you have the oral exam. It might be the same day, who knows? It might be the same day depending on your set. Okay, so after you have written the written exam and the oral exam, you've taken those exams and you pass. Hopefully you pass. Yeah, that's it. You have gotten into the school studying nursing in that school of nursing. Okay, so let me just give you a brief summary of what you should do to pass. Basically, what you should do to pass those exams, that is the written and the oral, is to read your physics, your biology. Did I say physics? Physics is there, but start with biology, your chemistry, your physics, your maths, and your English. Just read those subjects, because basically that's where their questions come from. So just read those 5 subjects that you want to be prepared for your WAEC and everything. Read them, study them, and then hopefully you pass. Okay. Then the next step after that is that you will be admitted into the school, studying nursing in the school of nursing that you chose. So basically what you're going to be doing there is that you will go for classes, you will go for clinicals, you will go for rural posting. That is when I mean clinicals, like you go to the hospital, they will tell you what to do. Basically you're working as a nurse, but you're not, well, in Nigeria they don't actually pay us as nurses students, but then you'll be working as a nurse and gaining experiences. So your matrons will be telling you what to do and what not to do, stuff like that. So that's what we call clinicals. And rural posting it means like you're going to a rural community or somewhere to go and practice and learn how their medical process goes. So yeah, that is basically how the RN nursing program goes in School of Nursing. So, but one thing that you should know is that the School of Nursing is a 3-year program. I don't know if I measured it here. It's a 3-year program, but why BSc Nursing is a 5-year program? Let's go over to BSc Nursing. BSc Nursing is also study to be a nurse, be a registered nurse, same as nursing school. But the difference, there are so many differences though, but the major difference is that BSc nursing is a 5-year program and it's being done in a university, like in a university, not a school of nursing. Yes, that's what we call it here in Nigeria. So it's being done in a university. That's what we have to understand. So now the process, before we continue, please, if you're gaining value from this video, please click on the like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you always get my videos. So back to what I was saying. BSc nursing, right? Yeah, BSc nursing. Okay, it's in a university, a 5-year program. The first thing you have to do, just as the RN program, so is that you will get your WAEC, your NECO, or any of your SSCE examination, passing the same courses to maths, chemistry, physics, biology, and which one did I say? English, right? Yeah, those 5 courses, you have to pass them. So after passing it, you have to write your JAMB. Yeah, you have to write your JAMB. You have to write your JAMB and you have to pass it and get up to the cutoff for that particular school or particular university you are going for. After getting it, your WAEC and your JAMB, next thing you have to do is to write your post-UTME exam. When I mean post-UTME exam, I'm talking about your post-JAMB exam. So after you pass your JAMB, they will give you a date, your school will give you a date for the post-UTME exam. So then you go and write the exam, and when you get up to the cutoff for studying nursing in that school that you chose, then you have gotten into the program of studying nursing in university, which is a 5-year program. So basically what we do in a BSc program is kind of similar. It's similar to RN because everybody is studying, all of us are studying to become a nurse. We go for our classes, normal classroom classes. Then you go for clinicals, regular clinical days. They post you to this ward, they post you to that ward, like that, and you go for your rural posting. So another important information I hope you guys are following. Another important information I have to tell you guys is that while you are studying for RN or you're studying for BSc, all of us, we must write an exam in Nigeria, which if you pass that exam, it qualifies you to become a registered nurse here in Nigeria. And this exam is different from the normal semester exam that we do have. It's called Nursing and Midwifery Council Examination. It's organized by a nursing board. So after the 3-year program in RN, you must write that exam. When you pass the exam, you become a registered nurse. While in BSc, during the course of the 5-year program, either in your year 3 or your year 4, you write the exam. So another important information I will have to tell you is that when you graduate as a BSc nurse, they give you 4 certificates. But when you graduate as an RN nurse, you get 1 certificate. The 1 certificate you get in RN nursing is that you are a registered nurse. While in BSc nursing, the certificate that you get is that you are a registered nurse, you are a registered midwife, you are a public health nurse, and you are a Bachelor of Science nurse. That's your bachelor's degree. Those are the 4 certificates they will give you as a BSc nurse, so as opposed to your registered. Okay, now, so this section is for those that are already a registered nurse. If you have already done nursing in a school of nursing, but you want to upgrade your certificates to a BSc nurse by enrolling in a university, you have to go through direct entry. This is only for those that are already a nurse, a registered nurse. They have gone through school of nursing, but they want to upgrade their certificates to a BSc nurse, because BSc nursing, you have 4 certificates as I mentioned earlier. So that you have to go through a direct entry. You have to go to a university of your choice. You pick a direct entry form and then you fill it. Then they'll give you some exams. You write those exams. If you pass, you will get into the university studying nursing. And one good thing about it, another good thing about it is that you don't have to start from year 1. You will start from year 2. So now it will be a 4-year program, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5, and then you're basically done. Another thing I would like to say is that after your whole process of becoming a nurse, to get further experience, to get more pay, to be at a higher level, I guess, yes, to be at a higher level, it's mostly advised that we specialize, and you can specialize at any of the different fields in nursing. You can be an ENT nurse, you can be an A&E nurse, that is accident and emergency nurse that is specialized in that area after you have finished your 5-year program and everything. Then you can also be a cardiologist, just different specialties to specialize in nursing. I hope this video was useful to you, was valuable to you. I hope you love seeing my face. If you love seeing my face, click on the like button, share to your friends, those of you that are aspiring to be nurses. I hope you love this video, and if you have any questions at all, please, I am here. I'm basically here. Click on the comments and ask me any question, and I will be sure to reply. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. And by the way, I will make another video explaining, what do you guys want me to explain, BSc nursing program in details, like what goes on and what does not go on. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.